In the basket. In the basket. Yay! He doesn't want it in there. Put it in the basket. Here, mommy do it. Benjamin, mommy do it. Uh-oh, you dropped it. Put it in the basket again. Show Daddy how you put... Audie, go away. Show Daddy how you put it in the basket. No, you're gonna go get the other ball. Come on, put it in the basket. Put it in. In here. Yeah! Good job. Good job.